It's vital that Wales continues to engage with our partners in the European Union. We have many cultural and trading links with countries right throughout the EU. Our party, Plaid Cymru, has been a member of the European Free Alliance since before our representation in the European Parliament. Our links go back as far as the 1980s, and we are keen to continue with those links. It's vital that a four nations approach is taken to Brexit negotiations. Wales has a unique set of circumstances. Our economy, our demographics are different to other parts of the UK, and Wales's voice deserves to be heard in those negotiations, and Wales's voice deserves to be heard at the end of the process as well. I'm here in Brussels with my colleagues to maintain the relationships that have been built up with our partners over many years in order to best protect the Welsh national interest.